the very first question, according to the smart Alex on the internet, want to know, are hot dogs sandwich? I have the two side by side for comparison. So let us examine the two like the smart, intelligent and sophisticated food detectives that we think we are. Here on the left we have a sandwich. What is a sandwich? A bunch of meat between two pieces of bread and with some other things in between to make it nicer, like green stuff here and some cheese. Here on the right we have the hot dog. The hot dog is a piece of meat between two parts of bread, but the bread is one piece that has a line cut down it like that. Some of you may think, oh, of course it's not a sandwich, it is not two pieces of bread. However, think of your precious submarine sandwich. Is that not one piece of bread, or is it two? Much like the hot dog. And for comparison, we have just a plain dog right here. He is neither hot nor sandwich. So, this may mean absolutely nothing. Perhaps what is inside the hot dog will help us find out whether or not it is a sandwich. So let us slice open this little doggy and see what's inside. It is meat. That is what is inside, which proves absolutely nothing. Let us examine this sandwich here. Maybe if we open it up and see what is inside, it will reveal its mysteries to us and let us know what defines a sandwich. And we see that this thing contains both sand and witch, a very spooky one at that. However, this contains neither of those. And so it is solved. A hot dog is in fact not a sandwich. Next question. The next question that is plaguing your simple minds is whether or not a Pop-Tart counts as a ravioli. Let us examine and compare the two. However, I do not have both of those lying around. But luckily for you all, I am not just a talented chef, but I am also a talented artist. So first up is our Pop-Tart. It is square, has stuff in the middle, and is made of dough. To compare, however, we have ravioli. It is square, has stuff in the middle, and is made of the dough. However, upon further examination of the two, you notice the edges are different. This one is squiggly, and that one is not squiggly. Therefore, a Pop-Tart is not a ravioli. If you were to make your Pop-Tart squiggly, even with a simple pair of scissors, then it is a ravioli, as the secret is in the squiggles. Next question. This question poses the quandary. Are smoothies gazpacho? Well, that depends. If it is in one of these, it is gazpacho. If it is in one of these, a big ridiculous cup from a fancy store that moms like to go to, then it is a smoothie. If you were to put your smoothie into one of these, bam, it is gazpacho. If you put your gazpacho into one of these, bam, it's a smoothie. If you put it into a bowl-shaped cup, then I am confused. Next question. The next question is, how do you cook? Very simple. All you have to do is take the pot, put it into the pan, turn on the heat, and then stir it up like I'm doing. And now you cook. And then there's some other stuff, but don't let that get in the way. My next question is, Phil, what part of Italy are you from? To answer your question, I am from no parts of Italy. I'm not Italian. Why you gotta assume I'm from Italy? Is it because of the way I talk? You think I have some sort of accent? No, I do not have an accent. You do. This is how everybody in Michigan talks, which is where I am from. In fact, once again, I will use my artistic talent to demonstrate why you're wrong. So this here is Michigan. Notice it is shaped like a hand and has an upper part that is very, very sad. It is bordered by other states, such as Ohio here, which is also very, very sad. And then Indiana, which is kinda just doing its own thing. For comparison, we have Italy, which is shaped like a boot. Notice that is a boot and that is a hand. There is a very large difference. Also, I hear they speak different languages. But how would I know? I've never been to Italy. Next question. My last question asks, Phil, may I please see more of your dog? And of course you may. However, he looks very annoyed, as in the process of filming him, I have woken him up from his many hours of napping that he must have every day in order to stay so cute. I am truly a monster. However, this concludes this episode of Cooking with Phil. I hope I answered your questions sufficiently, and if I did not, oh boo-hoo, I will answer it again in the future. Goodbye.